haven't done a middle part in so long. Hey lovely people, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we are going to be installing a U-part. I think it's either a U-part or a V-part wig from Unice Hair or Unice Hair. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but they sent me some goodies. This is not sponsored. And okay, so they sent me a V-part. I'm pretty sure I ordered a U-part, but I believe they ran out of U-parts, so they gave me a V-part, which is still fine. I believe a V-part might even be better because you're required to have less leave-out with a V-part than a U-part, from what I can see. I'm also excited because this is a kinky hair texture. So when I straighten it, I'm excited for it to actually match my own hair texture. So before we install this, of course, I need to do something with the hair. My hair is freshly washed and dried. We love that. The whole reason why I'm trying to do a leave out right now is I want to get my hair to be heat trained. Yeah, I'm trying to heat train my hair because every time like my hair just shrivels up with any type of humidity, any type of curl, and I don't like that. I want it to be heat trained, you know, know when to stay straight and know when to revert back to curl. Some people have that luxury with their hair. So I'm hoping this year my hair can receive the same training. But yeah, basically because it's a V part, I am sectioning my hair into a V part. So yeah, this is a V. And I'm just gonna, yeah, I think this is enough leave out. And then I'm literally gonna braid my hair down, probably 4 down here, 4 down here. I don't, yeah, or however much. I'm gonna leave my edges out. If you don't know how to cornrow, I have a video on how to cornrow. I will link it down below in the description box. So I'm just gonna speed through this. That's the back, that's the front. Don't judge. It was a quick 5-minute cornrow. There's a little 2 nuts over here that I need to cut off. Okay, great fit. Before I take out my leave out, I'm gonna straighten this hair a bit because it's so poofy. Here's a straightened side and here's a non-straightened side. It looks like my hair if I were to straighten it. So I love that. I really do love that. This hair is actually so soft. Wow, not one struggle combing through it. No shedding, honestly. I've been combing through, like as I've been straightening, as you guys can see. No shedding. Obviously it can get straighter than this, but I just didn't part it into too many sections. I'm gonna take out my leave out now and see how it blends. Okay. I'm gonna put some heat protectant on my hair. Wax. Also gonna reduce the heat on the straightener. I put it to 450 for the actual hair, but for me, I'm gonna bring it up to like 310. I'm just gonna straighten it. I haven't straightened my hair in so long. Wow. Wow, guys, I am done. That was so quick and easy, and look at how well it blends. No, for real, look at how well it blends. You can't tell me this is not my hair. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. Wow. 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 I'm shook it. I'm shook it. I love this. I love this. It blends so well. Let me put a little bit of Shine Gem on my edges. Let's do the full thing. Guys, this is a finished look. If you're looking for like a nice, natural looking hairstyle, this will do it. This will do it. This is it. This is it. Go get you one of these. Go get you vpart, upart, whatever part, and put your leavout out. Perfect for the winter. I don't know about the summer. I don't know if I could pull this off in the summer, knowing how my natural hair is. But for the winter, this is perfect. I love this. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Tell me if you've tried a upart wig, or tell me how you enjoy this look. Tell me this is not my hair. What? The length and everything. Love it, love it, love it, love it. If you like today's video, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.